All right, you can see this video is being recorded much later. There's actually a gap between two videos and I lost the video in the middle, so I have to re-record this. But this video is intended to teach you how to sort by strings. Right now we have the ability to sort by our number here with the CMC by uh, comparing the values, and for ascending, we use this one, and for descending, we use this one. Basically, when it compares two things, it uses the difference between those two things, and if it's negative, then it goes one direction. If it's positive, it goes the other direction. So, in order to do this with strings, we need to somehow transfer strings into a number, a numeric value. And JavaScript has a function called locale compare. And locale compare will compare two strings. And for example, a.locale compare c will give you a negative value because a comes before c, which means if it's negative, it'll go above there in the ascending order. And in this case, check is further forward than against in alphabetical order, so it'll give you a positive number. So going off of this, it's pretty straightforward. It's almost the same as we have it now. So what we're going to do is CMC is the only column that we can sort by as a number, but if we want to sort the name, let's do the name first. Then what we'll do is we'll add name as an option here, name. So we're using this union that'll say the string has to be CMC or it has to be name or something else. Instead of saying else call equals name, because it's also going to catch these other ones, which I'll add later pretty quickly, we'll just put all the other ones here. And this will be a number sort, and this will be a string sort. And I'm going to copy this exactly how it is. Let me try pushing this forward a little bit so I have a little bit more space. And now instead of A call minus B call, which is the index of it, what do we need to do here instead? It'll be A call, which is no longer going to be a number. It's going to be the string itself. So we'll say A call, and then we'll say locale compare. And then inside of here, we'll put B call like that. And then we do the same thing here, B call dot locale compare A call. Make sure we do that. And now this will yield a negative value if A is before B, and this will yield a positive value if A is before B. So this will be ascending and this will be descending. Now, in order to use this, I need a little clicky thing here. So just like before, I'll grab this unfold more icon, copy it, and I'll paste it here next to name. But now the on click is going to pass in name instead. So if I save that, now I've got my unfold more. I click it, and it will alphabetize by the name. We can repeat this process for the Oracle text and the flavor text. So we'll go ahead and add those real quick. So we'll say, Oracle flavor, like that. And then we just add, why doesn't it like that now? Hold on, we'll go ahead and try to fix this first and see if it takes care of it. So put this here, put this here. We're gonna pass in Oracle. We're gonna pass in flavor. No, something. It's the type of the card, right? MTG card. Oracle text, flavor text. We have to align with that. Oracle text, flavor text. Sorry, it's been a couple months. There we go. Now it aligns correctly, and now we should be able to sort by any of these. Look at that. You may tap, okay. empty here. And then this one, flavor text, empty, and then W. So that allows us to sort by a string using locale compare. And I think this properly bridges the gap. If there's any small differences, hopefully you're able to figure those out.